In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient backgrounds in PowerPoint. If you're looking to add a bit more flair and professionalism to your presentations, customizing the background with gradients can be a game changer. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download it from a trusted source or use any available online version if you're comfortable working in a browser. Once PowerPoint is up and running, either open an existing presentation that you intend to spruce up or create a new one. This sets the stage for some compelling gradient backgrounds that will really make your content pop. Feel free to add any images, tables, or other content elements you wish to include, as they will work beautifully with your gradient design. Once you've got your content in place, it's time to jump into the customization. Right-click on the background of the slide where you want the gradient to appear. You'll see a menu pop up. Select Format Background from that list. This action opens the Format Background pane, where all the magic happens. In the newly opened pane, your focus should be on finding the Fill section. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Gradient Fill. This is where the various options available to customize your gradient are located, allowing you to tweak and perfect your background to exactly how you envision it. At this point, you have a plethora of customization options at your fingertips. If you're looking for a quick start, you might choose from one of the preset gradients. These are pre-made gradients that can provide a great launching pad for your design, especially if you're new to creating gradients. From there, you can choose the type of gradient that best suits your creative vision. Options include linear, radial, rectangular, or path gradients, each offering a different appeal, so feel free to experiment with them to see which one enhances your slide the most. Next, you can adjust the direction of your gradient flow. This is particularly useful if you're looking to lead the viewer's eye in a specific direction across the slide, providing not just aesthetics, but function as well. Further refine your work with gradient stops. These are control points that allow you to adjust the colors, their positions, and even the transparency of each point within your gradient. You can add or remove these stops as needed to craft a truly unique and engaging visual. Finally, if you plan to use the same gradient across multiple slides, you'll find the Apply to All option quite handy. By selecting it, you ensure that every slide in your deck maintains a cohesive and polished look. If you prefer the gradient to feature on just one slide, simply leave the setting as is. There you have it. You've just created a stunning gradient background in PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now empowered to use these techniques to make your presentations stand out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.